The dog's bell. John's dog was a bad dog. He beat people frequently. John had great concern about this. It was not an appropriate way for a dog to behave. His friends in the village always expected the dogs beat them. The news about John's dog spread throughout the village. None of the people wanted to go to John's house. John tried to instruct the dog to behave, but it never worked. He tried to be patient and teach the dog to be calm. That always didn't work. John didn't want to punish the dog. How will I stop my dog's bad habit? John asked himself. John's friends came to talk to him about the issue. During their important meeting, his friends said, "The people in the village asked me to represent them. We want your dog to stop this habit. Why don't you put a bell around the dog's neck? This way we would hear your dog coming down the street." John thought this was a great idea. Now people could stay away from the dog. It would not be able to beat anyone anymore. To bite anyone anymore. The dog liked the bell too. People liked at him when they heard his bell. This made the dog very content. He liked the song the bell played when he walked. One day, John's dog strolled through the village and met some other dogs. He expected them to want a bell like his, but they laughed at his bell. They said the bell made people avoid him. John's dog shook his head. No, they look at because they like the bell. The other dog said, "You have the wrong idea of what makes you popular. Of course, they like your bell. It tells them where you are so they can avoid you. You aren't able to beat them anymore." You see, being popular isn't something positive when it's for the wrong reason. Reason. Результат.
Result. Reason. What is the reason you come to my house?
Mani uyishimga kelishingdan maqsading nima?
Nima ekan?
Maqsad.
Reason sabab, maqsad.
Sabab.
Spread.
Tarqalish.
Bad words about me is spreading and my friend is spreading them.
Men haqqimda yomon so'zlar tarqalyapti. Meni bilishimcha, meni o'rtog'im bilan tarqatayotgan ekan.
Positive.
Ijobiy.
Positive. Positive thoughts. Think, thought.
Ijobiy o'ylashlar,
fikrlar. Expect.
Kutish.
I didn't expect it from you.
Men buni sendan kutmagandim.
Frequently.
Tez.
I frequently visit my grandmother.
Men buvimga tez borib turaman.
Instruct.
Ko'rsatish.
O'rgatish, ko'rsatish. Concern.
Xavotirlanish.
My biggest concern is my homework.
Meni katta xavotirim bu ishim.
Avoid.
Oldini olish.
I called you 10 times. Are you avoiding me? You're not answering your phone.
Men senga 10 daqiqa oldin telefon.
10 times.
U marta telefon
U marta.
qildim. Sen menga qo'ng'irog'imga javob bermading.
Are you trying to avoid me? Mandan
Qochib yursanmi?
qochib yursanmi? Content.
O'zini bosish. Xursand.
Issue.
Muammo.
The biggest issue is my laziness.
Mani katta muammoyim bu mani dangasaligim.
Patient.
Sabrli.
Are you patient?
Sen sabrlimisan?
Yes, I am very patient.